Hello, David here, and the project for today is to introduce you to a new tool. It's called the Crowfoot Wrench. And this particular wrench I got on Amazon for $10 plus $1 tax. It's made in India. And what it's for is for getting into really tight places. And what you would do is put an extension on it. There we go. Then you get down in a tight space. You could use a longer extension if you need it. In my case, I don't need to get into a tight space, but I have a nut, or collar rather. It's 30 millimeters from flat to flat. And it has to be torqued down with a torque wrench. I can't just guess with it. So what would you do is put it on your torque wrench and then use your torque wrench normally so that you could get the right torque on the collar. Now these Crowfoot wrenches come in 1/2-inch drive, which is what this is, and they also come in 3/8 drive. You just have to consider what's going to work best for your application. And in this case I didn't have, or in this case you can't use a socket, and I have a long pipe coming through here, so they don't make sockets that are that long. The pipe's about 20 inches long, so I have to grab it on the side. I have to use a torque wrench to torque it down, and that's going to be it. Short video here. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.